Hi, I'm Matt with Schematical, and today I'm going to walk you through a super beginner example of an asynchronous challenge I've been playing with here. Very basic, but just so you get an idea here. Your boss person, wants to access an important file called extremely important stuff.txt running on S3 whenever they want. They already have an IAM user in your company's AWS account. They just need access. So it's up to you to figure out why they can't get access right now. Setup instructions: run the command below, but replace your prefix with a prefix, no spaces. So in Terraform here, I'm going to run this with explode me as the prefix. Bonus point if you can tell me why we've got to change that and you can't run the same command I can run. That'd make it easier, but there's a reason. So email me that if you know the answer to that one. While that's running, we'll keep going here. Once that is complete, there should be a file called bossperson-login.txt. That has the login credentials for bossperson. Now, in real life, you should know your boss's credentials. You should know your coworker's credentials. But because this is a game, you're playing both boss person and you, the cloud professional. Back over here, give me a YES. Always check this, but being as I just ran through this about a half dozen times, I'm pretty confident. All right, so now we've got that. Let's log in as the boss and let's navigate to this URL here, which should just open up S3. Make sure you're in the right region. So if you boot it up in one region, make sure you're in the right region because this URL doesn't account for what region you're in. All right. So I've got explode me big bucket. That's our bucket right there. And again, I'm logged in as boss person now. So I'm playing this. I click into here and it's yelling at me. All right, your job, your mission, should you choose to accept it, don't sue me, Tom Cruise, is to get boss person user access to that file in that bucket without giving them root access or any other elevated permissions. All right, you can't just say you can access every bucket. You got to give them access to that specific bucket and possibly, ideally, even that file. So once that is done, you've got the solution. Send the answer back to me, email it to me, get a pigeon, send it to me that way, however you got it, and I will let you know. Otherwise, if you don't solve this, email me and I can get you the solution or walk you to it, or we can run through it as a live event. But with that said, best of luck and enjoy. There'll be plenty more. And if this is too simple, trust me, I've got ones that are much more complicated. I'm trying to start small here. It's actually fairly difficult. All right, cheers.